Coding is the future of language. My name is Ashadiee. I've been teaching coding for a little more than a year. If you're looking to learn about coding and apply to the real world, then this is the right episode for you. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Let's hop onto the computer and get started. By the way, what is the goal with Picture Painter? Like, how are we gonna paint with this just a leaf? Just a boring leaf. How will we, what is the goal and which code? Well, the goal for this, we're going to make this leaf or another kind of avatar or anything like that. We will start to make it paint. Also, now we can start reading the instructions. Change the initial paintbrush. This program uses an object to describe a paintbrush with X and Y. And image properties. Change the initial X and Y and pick a different image that would be fun to paint with. If you want to see all the images, you can click on the string past to get image, which is here. The handy image picker will appear. Right now it just shows the leaf, not really the handy image picker. If you hover, then you'll see anything you would like. Well, what I would like is a key. Or not really a key. We could try a bug or princess girl. Yeah, this one. Make sure you change the original value. I'm going to move that one there and this one there. And an easier way was like this. Oh, back to 37. Yes. The next one is make it paint. Now you'll actually make this program paint all across the screen. And there'll be many girls, one there, one here, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. A lot. Now you'll actually make this program paint. Add a mouse move function that, what will it do? Changes the paintbrush X and Y properties based on the current mouse position using the mouse X and mouse Y variables. Well, did you know that you don't really need to do var mouse Y, mouse X. You don't need to do that because Khan Academy, it already knows it in this challenge, which is in this course, which is called the computer programming. They already know about the mouse X and mouse Y, which means you don't really need to add var, all that. So we could just right here, we would put mouse moved, a function, and then these brackets, and then inside paint brush dot X equals mouse X, then a semicolon, and we're missing a semicolon just right there. And then for the next one, it'll be pretty similar, except all the X's will turn them into Y's. Mouse Y. And then, now that you're setting the new position for your image, call the paint canvas function inside the mouse move to paint the image on the canvas. Okay. Paint canvas. And once we put the semicolon, and it goes off, zooming off into the air like that. And you could just click restart or like that. a girl here, girl here, girl here, and then many more. Or you could do this. Mouse moved. In fact, you should actually do that once you spin it off. Spin it off is actually kind of like remixing. Like when you remix someone's game is when you get another copy for your own self. Now there's billions of girls, and the biggest girl is in the middle, right in there. Well, it's kind of like that. Now if you change it, and why is there a princess girl there? Now watch the princess girl go all the palace. There's lots of princess girls. Okay, now I will make one here. Okay, now I'm just gonna spin it off. Call the spin off challenge picture painter. It'll be picture painter. And then I'll save it. And now I have another copy of my own. Now, what else I will start to do here? I will make something like this. Mouse is moved, mouse is clicked. So whenever the mouse is clicked, then it should be doing like that. Well, it's because mouse is moved is not defined. Looks like it's because it's because here mouse moved. And you could just fill in the empty spaces, and there you go. I have already spinned my thing off, and I'm going to restart this thing like this. If you do it slowly, you can see something dark happening. Next, I'll do it again right here. Kind of like a maze. People, they can go inside that small hole. I can't really put my mouse in there because it might be a disaster. Good, another person walking into the maze. And then another, and another. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. That's all we have for now. Feel free to drop your comments below. Or you could send it on my email, askashadiee@servicenowstar.com. The more you learn coding, the more you become better at it. Oh, and don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to get more videos.